The CMD 401 has limit switches. You've got to set the limit switches because that makes your stopping point at the top and at the bottom. It's really important. So you got to set the limit for up here and down here, because you can see this curtain has two motors. So you'll have two of these, shaft out either side, and you got to set the limit up there and down here. Really important. And to do that, you can use a pen light to shine in here because it's hard to see otherwise. And you just crank your top limit down till you just so hear it click. The cam's got to come from the middle, and then you run the motor down, and then you bring the limit switch down until you hear it click at the bottom. You just so hear it click. And then you tighten the screws, and then you test it. You test it, and if it's not quite where you want it, you adjust it. You don't want to have it going really tight up here at the top. You've got to set the limit and leave about that much fabric, because the limits are accurate, but the fabric can stretch, or you can get snow in and it'll go hard. So it's really important that the limit switches are set to give you flop at the top, so that if you get snow or dirt in there, it doesn't get to the top and bind everything up. So there, now you understand how to set the limit switches and why they are important.